Hello, bro. Good morning. Okay, so this is what I'm looking out for in order to pass this challenge by next week. Okay, so we are going to be trading two assets, Euro AUD and GBP Now, on Euro AUD, as you can see, price has been respecting this area of this resistance trend zone for quite some time. Okay, and now finally price is back to the resistance trend zone and forming a bearish sorry a rising flag. Okay, if you also look at the RSI indicator, you find out that price is also forming divergence. Okay, so this shows that price is going to drop pretty much soon from this area. So what I'm looking out for is for price to drop down to this area. This area is a flip zone, which price has been using as a resistance at this point, support at this point, support, resistance, resistance, and finally price broke through this area. So I'm waiting for price to drop down to this area. Okay. Now, once price gets to this area, we'll be looking out for reversal patterns like weak rejections, double bottom pattern. Once we see weak rejection at this point, if you look at the round number tool here, we have a round number at this point, which is the 1.57000. So once price drops to this area and most likely test this round number and reject it, immediately I see the rejection, we are going to be buying using 5.0 lot size. Okay. Now, if you buy at with 5.0 lot size, we're going to hold this trade. Definitely, we are going to see some series of rejections around this area, but in the long run, most likely before the week runs out, we will get to this take profit, which is around 1.6 0.000. Okay. Now the distance between this area to here is around 249 pips. So even if we can take 200 pips, okay. Now 200 pips. Let's see. Using 5.0 lot, each pip will give you $50. So we'll be having $50 times 200 pips. This should give us around let's say 10k. Should give us this trade setup should give us 10k. So this is what I am looking out for to achieve on now. If price drops down to this area and we buy at this point and price closes above 57,500, which is somewhere around here, we can still duplicate, we can still add another buy position. Okay, so we can still buy another buy position from here, take another buy position from this area, and then we target another most likely 100 pips, or our target is still this take profit. Okay, so if the trade plays out the way it should, we will be able to pass our challenge using this trade setup alone. Okay, so that is it for Euro AUD. No, GBP JPY. All right. Now, also on GBP JPY. Now, you see, JPY PS has been trending for a very long time. You see, they have been trending, and I I don't want to be in a position where we are going to try to force the market down. Okay, that is why most people lose most of the times. We don't force the market down. Okay, so but this is what I'm looking at for on JPY. Should in case the Euro AUD trade did not play out, we are also going to be watching, or rather, even if it's playing out and we've taken one position there, we can also take another position here using 5.0 lot size. This is what I'm looking out for on GBP JPY. Okay, so we have a Quasimodo structure here. Quasimodo, high, low, higher, high, lower, low, and price is going compressing towards this maximum pain level. Okay, so before the market closed yesterday, we can see that price shot up almost into the maximum pain level and then dropped. So what I'll be looking at for on Monday tomorrow is on Monday is for price to appreciate further into this maximum pain level and reject. Once price rejects, just give us any sign of rejection or reversal within this maximum pain level, I'm going to be taking a sell position. Okay, we are going to be selling, sorry, so we're going to be selling using 5.0 lot size. Okay, yes, using 5.0 lot size, then our first target should be on this first to take profit, which is around 100 pips, and the second take profit is around 200 pips. So if we can get hold the trade up to this first take profit, which is $50 times uh $50 times how many? 100 pips times 100 pips. So we are looking at 5K. So this should give us 5K. Okay, this should give us 5K. All right, 5K. Why this should give us this is around 200 pips. This should give us 10K. All right. Okay, so with this, so if we take just a single position on this pair and we have 5K, or we hold it to the second take profit and we have 10K, and we also have another trade on Euro AUD. With these two setups, we can pass this challenge next week. This is what I am looking now to do on on the challenge account coming Monday. Okay, so I just decided to share this with you, and I believe you, if you have any objections, on my approach to this, to the market or to this challenge account next week, please do let me know. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.